video was shot outside in the sunshine on an engine test. This week we're back in the hangar. A very noisy and productive workshop with Norman, Dave 3 and Dave working on NX611 rear fuselage. Norman and Dave 3 working on de-riveting the skins while Dave is constructing new formers.
A bit windswept this morning. We took the oxy bottle off this morning and bolted to here. It's a skeleton in a couple of weeks.
You think so? Yeah. Will you let it down as soon as that?
Yeah.
So,
a bit of film and you've left out.
It's a good long skin, isn't it, that one?
Yeah, it's quite badly corroded. I don't think the skin's that badly corroded. So we use the mag alloy rivets.
Yeah.
So somewhere you just have to drill that and they just turn to powder. Yeah.
Oh, so I'll have a look at it again.
Yeah.
And this is the skin Dave has just taken off.
You can see some plastic plug rivets in there just to hide the holes.
Just fillers, were they?
Yeah.
Oh, that's right, yeah.
So it was quite badly damaged. I don't think we'll be able to use the skin again because of the additional rivets have been put in over time. It doesn't actually look too badly corroded.
You wouldn't be able to do anything with that end piece because those holes are
maybe.
too close.
Yeah, they are. Yeah, and they've got additional ones as well, which are not kind of right. Yeah, but you've got kind of rivets all over the place. Maybe that we decided to chop this bit off, depending on the rest of the skin, really.
Yeah, you will be able to cut and replace parts of it as a repair.
Yeah, I think so. I think the preference would be obviously to return to normal state, which is a complete skin.
Yeah.
But if necessary, I guess it'd be a chop a bit out and put another bit in.
Yeah.
Yeah, same as on the other.
Would you have to put a modification in to the CAA then? Or could you do it?
Not sure about that, but if all the skins are the same, you can't put the join in the same place.
No,
You've got to
no,
stagger it.
no. Yeah.
Reduce the weakness in the structure.
So what would that? Would have to go to a stress engineer? Would that have to, or
Could do, yeah. We've got a nice chap
see
who
where?
works out things like that. He works them out. Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah.
God knows how he does it, like.
Port rib down, is it?
Yeah. This is the one I did. That's where it's at. That just needs the holes going through the skin, which I'll do at a later stage.
Yeah.
The rest of it's all ready. Turned out nice, this one.
Yeah,
I'm quite
yeah.
pleased with it.
What about that one? Is it going okay? You've got the outside done, have you now?
Yeah, well, I've just got to shrink it a little bit more now to bring it down flat.
Yeah.
And then I'm starting the inside edge.
And this is the that's the next one.
yeah.
Yeah.
But look, this one fit the jig.
This one fitted the jig.
Yeah. That one had to modify the jig.
Yeah.
This one just sat straight on top. There's no real logic about it, but it's good though.
Yeah.
The rest of them do. Then happy days.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, whatever it was last
about,
year.
Yeah, a year ago. Yeah.
People were saying that they really need to go to get heat treating to get the stress and the case hardening out of that material.
Yeah.
Now, I know nothing about it, and what the comments are, I'm not sure.
Well,
Do they need to go?
Previously, when I've made these before, we used to make them out of C0 and heat them up to C6 to harden them. But I spoke with Bob, and he said, because we're making these out of C3, they will be strong enough so they don't need any heat treatment. So.
They won't crack or anything?
No, I spoke to him about it, asked the question, and he said define C3.
Right. This is Chris, a new member of the team, and one of them providing the background noise this morning. He's working on NX644, the French fuselage nose section, which will be made good any damage, and the corrosion will be removed. This will be then fitted to NX611 next winter. NX611 nose section will be taken off and made airworthy and swapped back the following year, returning this blue section to France, which will most likely be painted black by then.
Removing some damage and then inserting some patches.
Oh,
Put a little bit more strength back in it.
so you're not going to take the former out or the... No.
Now there's a few cracks, you just need replacing, put some strengtheners in. That's it really. I think this is going to be my home for the next 5 months.
Yeah.
I love it. Yeah, good. So I'm just in the process of removing the old stuff,
Yeah.
the damage, and I'll start making the patches for it.
Oh, good.
Interesting stuff.
And this will be put on next springtime, will it?
Hopefully.
Hopefully.
Hopefully, yes.
Is there a lot of damage or a lot of repairs required to get it onto the Lancaster?
Well, rumour has it, if you have a look at the skin on the outside, it's full of dents.
Yeah.
So when this aeroplane was in one piece, out in the Bondi, wherever it was, it would contract and expand with the heat. So it made a lot of creaking and groaning noises. So the locals thought it was haunted. So they threw bricks at it. So hence that's why you'll see the damage on this, especially on this side.
Yeah.
You'll see dents and stuff, there's all kinds of stuff being done to it. It'll get there.
Yeah. A bit frightening then for the locals.
I think so. Haunted Lancaster and all that. So.
Yeah.
Yeah, good. It's good.
To my eye, it doesn't look too bad.
This side, that side's okay.
Yeah.
This side, it's got a few dinks and
Yeah.
where they've thrown stones at it.
Yeah. So you'll have to knock them out, repair them or leave them?
Some will probably get away with just knocking them out. But others, you have to de-skin it, de-skin them.
Well, just for taxing, you'd have to do that with it.
Yeah, it's got to look right, hasn't it?
Yeah.
And I think once it's done here, it comes back off, and the original gets put back on. This will go back to where it came from, and obviously be put on a static maybe.
Yeah, it's from the French one, isn't it? 664.
That's the one.
Yeah.
It's got to look right. That's what I
Yeah.
mean. So we'll do what needs to be done.
Oh, good.
Good fun, eh?
Yeah, thanks, Chris.
No worries, mate.
So when it comes to inspection, have you got the authority to say yes or no?
Not ultimately. I have if it's a yes.
Yeah.
But then if I've got question marks, then I go to Bob, being the chief engineer, and then he's got the ultimate. But
Yeah, so it's his final decision if there's a slight problem.
Yeah, we came up with an agreement when we started this that we can't have sort of several people looking at stuff and making their own decision on it because they're not their opinions might be different to somebody else's. Really. So if you have to dedicate 2 people to inspect it, then you've got a consistent inspection regime then.
Oh, good. Oh, this is the one. Oh, you put this on there.
What?
I didn't press record then.
Oh. For what?
When you had the second one, they put in, you said lovely fit. And I
Never record. Well, we'll have to do it again then.
Sorry about that. This is take 2, folks. I forgot to press record. They've just shown me how fit it is into here. Touching that end. This is the outer edge complete, isn't it? And then down there, just drops in nice. Right, thanks Dave.
Got that?
Yeah, we got that. And now the wooden former. How many of these jigging holes do you put in? 8.
Mark them through the where the lighting holes are, so they're in the centre of that. So when I put them out, then the jigging holes are gone.
Yeah. So what are you doing here? Polishing
the edges because I've got to stretch this over. Any slight nick in there will just cause it to crack straight away, and that's the last thing I want.
Yeah.
So you have to highly polish it and knock it over, stretch it in the machine, recheck it, see if there's no more nicks in it, and polish them out as we go along.
Yeah.
This stage is more.
Will you bend it over or shrink it first?
Just tap over slightly, and then I'll stretch around this edge, give it more material, so it will go over without cracking.
No, you don't shrink it. You stretch this one.
The outside one gets shrunk, and then the inside one gets stretched. Because as that goes over, it needs more metal to go over into the radius, so you have to stretch that edge out. So it'll go over. If I just knock over straight over now, it will crack straight away.
Yeah.
It's a long process.
In this shot, the vertical row of holes is where the formers were. Dave is working on making new formers. On inspection, most of the formers will have to be replaced.
As you can see, the perspex has gone crazed. So what happened was that the
Several weeks ago, I uploaded this video showing aid restoring this escape hatch from the B-25 bomber. It is now being installed back into the cockpit above the pilot's head. This week I will finish with Dave and his formers. I forgot to press record again. Could you straighten that up again? No, I didn't.